Welcome in this video. So in this video you are gonna see this airdrop that you are seeing on the screen. So cbx, I've already published a video about this. So today's video would be about how to you can be eligible in this airdrop. Okay, so I showed you already that how do you participate here. So the thing is interesting here. If I show you in the browser, so here maybe you are seeing dashboard as well as slightly achievement option. So the achievement option is you do trade on website, and every transaction has a behind a secret about your unlock the some task. Here if I showed you achievement, click on the second section, and here is your common achievement. I already common achievement earned 12 out of 7. Rare I earned 12 out of 7, and nothing other else I earned. I just earned this 2 on. So if you see here, I reveal all of thing lined up. Navigate to the connect using price line widget. Contractor cooperator, review all contract listed. Okay, so this is hidden. Maybe something will happen while I do something inside of this website, like if I go to this trade option, trading terminal testnet. At that time, this website that I'm in now, same wallet you connected, they detect that you did this certain task, and your like box will be revealed if you do this certain exact task. Okay, and have a couple of tasks. My point is, now if you see here, total xp 530. If I showed you my ranking here, uh, so if I click on the dashboard button here, so maybe you are seeing that I'm a alpha, that 474 ranking I'm in. It is not much more, but I'm doing this part-time, not full-time way. If I do this full-time way, I will like now can stay in the top. Okay, so however you can do this easily, because maybe if you are interesting about crypto, I will definitely suggest you doing airdrop testnet, because you are learning something here as well as earning, because here is not time wasting any way. Okay, so however if I click on the trading testimonial testnet here, and that will bring into you the trading site. And here what you will notice that enter desktop version, click on there, and after, if you need to do connect your wallet, do that immediately. The trick is here, you maybe you are seeing on the title that here is eligibility past terms is doing their using their website this on. Okay, so maybe those who are don't know how to do trade everything, how to do you know buy long sell short, this type of thing, this platform definitely for them. I will suggest them. So here is you need to connect your wallet here, click on, or here, whatever place you wanna do. So click on here and click on connect, and your MetaMask will get notified by that. Select your wallet here, right here, and right here you need to confirm your approval that you are owner of this account. However, it's taking some time, but end of the day it will be done. And same thing, maybe you already know how to do this type of thing. If you don't know, write down comment. And I have Telegram channel. If you wanna come here, check out this video's description box. We get description because we have verified our feature eligibility last days. Okay, thank you for doing that, YouTube. Okay, so now I'm doing this thing. It is loading pretty much, but into the day your wallet will be connected, and you can do your task there, like so fast. I would say it is not testnet. I would say it looks like mainnet you are using. If I show you just one task, here is contact, I'm showing you this side. Okay, I'm showing you this arrow, this all of his contract. Okay, BTC 31 May 24. Now is maybe April. If you do this thing, it will be existent in your wallet 31 May until 31 May 2024. Okay, now what should you do? Just you can put your price, or you can do by default price or whatever. Okay, so let's say I wanna do this BTC, not this one, 0 point like this one, or you can do whatever you want. Like you can do manual that has automatically put on this box. So however, just use their their website, their blockchain, doesn't matter. Other thing like Glaxtask, Guild, Discord, blah blah blah, nothing need is here. Just do use their thing. Okay, end of the day they will select you by using this thing, I understand. But for being eligible those tasks, I will recommend you, but please do prioritize these entire tasks. For these they will give you something. Okay, they will select you. Okay, so if I click on place buy, how efficient this one, immediately that will bring into you MetaMask. Nothing bug fix issue I see on this platform. So click on sign and your order has been completed. Here you will see, noticed. Click on sell, bam, you don't need to put anything. If you want, do that and click on place sell. It will immediately bring you into MetaMask. Okay, maybe you are seeing now. Click scroll, click on sign, bam. Okay, here, done. So now I will definitely suggest you, here is like how many option you have used. Like let's say you wanna go market, buy in market. Let's say you wanna reduce only, do something. Because if I showed you inside of here, maybe affiliates dashboard, like this platform dashboard, where you can see your achievements as well as your point. So the thing is here, every point has been rebuilt by your task that you do inside of this here. Okay, like reduce only. So I get reduce only. Maybe you are seeing here, I'm showing you, I get something doing reduce. Okay, if I show you, you will see that. Okay, here is noticed reduce only recent, successfully submit 10 reduce only orders. I did that successfully, 10 reduce, like this task. So if you do, you can do that. Okay, it's straightforward. I'm showing you, no one know where has this, like this achievement. Like what about this achievement? Can you guess? Write down on comment this one. Do you know what should I do for that? Post only protege. Maybe I need to do something like post only, some order I need to put on post only, just not reduce only. Okay, so if I click on here, if I do this 10 times, maybe it will be unlocked for me and I get some XP point, and my ranking would be higher than that I'm in now. So however, this is the thing that I'm just gonna share with you. The more you use their website, the more your point would be unlocked here, and you can refill so easily your task that you did. Okay, straightforward, easy to do. So do that, earn this badge. And here is 4 category badge has you need to earn. I already unlocked let's say 14. Okay, 14 achievement, 29 out of 14 achievement. Maybe if I show you here 29, like all achievement, I earn 14. However, maybe it will take you like sometimes, but end of the day you are learning here, because there is a lot of people that don't know how to do contract, trading, this type of thing. They don't know how to trade. Okay, but you are here learning as well as earning. Okay, so the thing is here, just make sense you. CVEX task priority is doing trade. Okay, this one. Okay, so use their like this thing as much as you can. Okay, like I'm showing you. If I click on reduce only by, okay, so here, okay, if I click on another contract here, limit, okay, so here you are saying that GTC, use their all sort of thing. You don't need to know what they are, just use. You nothing lose here, you nothing lose here, you are not losing anything here. Okay, so unfortunately I'm tap something task on this screen, therefore it is happening. Okay, however, decrease in your test alert. Okay, I already did this. So if you noticed here, my trading profit and loss here, and just you just learning here. I did, I'm doing this thing is 4-5 days, and I already did maybe 96,000 2020 trade dollars, and I lost minus $30.877. Okay, so this is the thing. You don't need to know anything about this type of thing. You just do this thing, you check your order history, and that's it. Or if you wanna read their terms and condition about their Testnet guide, you can definitely go, or I will put on my Telegram, or you can see on this description, but maybe I will put on Telegram. So check out videos description. You can see my Telegram channel there. So I'm showing you my Telegram channel. Here is I post on everyday's airdrop, you are seeing, and 13 subscriber has organic subscriber, genuine subscriber, and thank you for that all around the countries, people like Cameroon, Kenya, I'm appreciate to them. So however, if you noticed here my channel, feel free to subscribe, 14 subscriber, organic subscriber, and check out videos comment box, and that's it. I don't do any share my video, I just post and I get some organic views, bam, I'm happy with that. Let's see you later in the next time. Check out comment box, you can come out my Telegram here. Okay.